Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So thanks for joining me. We're going to have a look at the new Meme FYI 3x4 stamp set. This set comes with 4 sentiments and 1 image. The 4 sentiments read, "I'm out of the medication that makes me like you. You're crazy is showing, you might want to tuck that back in. Just FYI. And why, yes, I'd be delighted to put my needs last again." Now, the image measures approximately 3¼ inches high by about 2½ inches wide. So here I've stamped her out so you can have a good look at her. I do have a sample I'm going to share with you. Now, Whimsy has some previously released products in their shop that are going to go great with these girls. I used the Comic Burst die along with the Comic Speech Bubble die set to create this card. I hope you enjoyed the product reveal. I have the links listed in the description box below for you. For more information on the products you see in this video, you can hop over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check it out. And until next time, take care.